Never skip an Hermes airport. We got another Hermes unboxing for you guys from the airport. Double Hermes unboxing. So we're gonna go right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique, and today we're doing a quick double Hermes unboxing from the airport. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, double Hermes unboxing. Okay, so as you guys know, I go to the airport all the time. I get a bunch of things offered. I travel a lot, so I try to stop in every airport that has try to plan my trips to stop at an Hermes airport, go in and see what I can ask for. This time I got offered 3 bags, but I did not take any of them. I left them for some other people, for the next person to come get it. I didn't really love any of them and didn't see the point. I mean, 2 of them I already had, but it was different colors. And then anyway, one was exotic. But I did see 2 other things. So we got 1 rare piece that is exotic, and then 1 suede piece that's a little more less common. Okay, so we're gonna unbox them both. So I already unboxed them, obviously, because I brought them back. But oh, it even says what it is right here. Don't look. We have this one, which I think most of you can tell by the box, and then I have this one, which also I feel like. I have this one also, which you can probably also tell by the box, and it says what it is right here. It says what it is right here. They don't take out the stickers sometimes in the airport, but the box broke too. It broke on the flight. I put it up top, and when it opened the thing, it fell down, and the box broke in half. So it's like totally broken along here, but who cares? Because these are never going to stay in the box. The first thing I got, are these shoes, or these sandals, which are a newer style. Sorry, they're a new color combo collection. So if you guys remember, I had these tube ones in Epsom, which always cut my feet. I don't know why, because the Epsom's really stiff and it kind of annoys me. Always cuts my feet, so I don't wear them as much. And then I have my Noir ones that I gave in with leather that I loved, and I gave in for a pair, and they never came back. They said they couldn't repair them, so I just got credit for those. I mean, I haven't bought a new pair of Noir ones. I should, but I just haven't, because these have been kind of, and the gold one, whatever. And I wanted something that I could wear in the summer with my a la carte, which is Noir in a tube. And so I saw these and I thought, ooh, why not? They are in suede. So I had a pair of suede ones that got ruined in like a white color, but hopefully these will be a little bit better. So they're both suede. I thought actually when I first tried it on, I thought this was leather and this is suede, but they're both suede. So it's Noir in a tube with a tube bottom instead of a Noir bottom, a little different. Maybe you can see the little differences in the leather. Even the tube looks really different on this, but I think it matches. Oh no, it doesn't match this as much. That's okay. Anyway, so that's what it is. And weirdly, they give you 2. So it's 2 for the price of 1. Double unboxing. Just kidding. And then the other thing I got was this exotic charm, which I saw. And I've never seen this, and it's a touch. And the reason it's the touch is Himalayan croc, Niloticus Himalayan croc touch, okay? And the color, I don't love the color. I'm not exactly sure which bag it's gonna go on. I think it has to be in a pop of color, so I think it has to go on a neutral bag, like a black bag, or maybe in a tube bag. I think it might, or even a white bag. I don't think it'll look good on a gold or any other, but it is this little charm. It's a rodeo, not a Pegasus, with the croc Himalayan on the saddle. It's got the little, I mean, it's really cool because of that, and different than what I've normally seen. It's got the little, where is it? It has a little symbol that indicates that it's all special. A little square or something. Oh, there's 2 dots. You can barely see them, but there's 2 dots right there. Yeah, I can't wait to, I mean, maybe like, because the sesame could be kind of gold, right? Like something like that where it's a little pop. I don't know, what do you guys think? Here? Or somewhere else? I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, that's all I got. That's my little Hermes unboxing. Airport always has good stuff. I highly recommend it, and I love everything I get there all the time. Different SA, new thing. They don't keep your purchase history. I don't think they track it either. So like they don't know what you've bought before, but I know the people now because I go so many times. So that helps. I used to work with the same SA over and over and over again, but they haven't been in the last like 7 times I've been through. So I've met different ones now and built my relationship with them. So worth it, totally worth it. That's all I got. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I love you guys, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Baby. Bye.